This is the wall between a digital creator and a true storyteller. Chaos, the inability to control your characters. But what if I told you there is a way to break that wall? Today, we're demolishing that wall, and I want to start by giving you a gift, a key. This is the Moriarty Toolkit, the final image, the golden prompt, and the golden seed that created it. It's yours right now, absolutely free in the description below. This is your first professional digital actor. But this video isn't about one character, it's about the method. Let's begin. Before we dive in, full transparency, we're using the free plan of Leonardo AI for this entire process. They have a fantastic paid tool called Consistent Character, but we're not using that. We're using the 150 free daily credits that give to every user. The method you're about to see is 100% free. So, why does this chaos happen? At its core, the AI is designed for infinite creativity. Every time you hit generate, it starts from a new random point, a different seed for a different tree. Our first challenge is to control the starting point. And here's how we do it. In your generation story, you'll find this number, this seed. It's the creation's unique address. By copying it and using it as a fixed seed, we're telling the AI, start from the exact same place every time. As you can see, the results are now identical, but they're not consistent. We've controlled the start, but we haven't controlled the journey. And this is the secret most people miss. The seed is only one part of the formula. To achieve true consistency, you need the complete formula. The seed is just the beginning. First, the model. Think of models like different film directors. Cinematic Kino has a different vision than Phoenix. Using the same seed with a different model will give you a completely different actor. Second, the style. This is your director's lens. Cinematic style will interpret the prompt differently than stock photography. And finally, the settings. Your image dimensions, your contrast, every single parameter is a part of the character's DNA. To recreate a character, you must recreate their entire universe. The prompt, the seed, the model, the style, and all of the settings. And now, for the most powerful part of the formula, the map, the detailed facial blueprints. Let's break it down line by line, because every word matters. First, the ethnicity mix. Why do we do this? Because it gives our character a unique and memorable foundation that stands out from generic faces. Next, the face shape. We use strong, objective, architectural molds, long, angular, chisel. We're defining the bone structure. This is the foundation upon which everything else is built. Then, the eyes. We don't just say blue eyes. That's a lottery. We command almond-shaped, piercing eyes with a cold, light gray blue iris. Specificity is your power. It removes the guesswork for the AI. The same goes for every feature. We're leaving nothing to chance. This isn't a request, it's a command. But master artist knows what to create and also what not to create. That brings us to our final tool, the negative prompt. Think of it as a sculpture's chisel. The main prompt gives you the block of marble, but the negative prompt is what you use to chip away everything you don't want, revealing the masterpiece within. For example, in our Moriarty prompt, that's his name by the way, we added negative, smiling, happy, friendly. Why? Because without this command, the AI might interpret faint smirk as a friendly smile, completely destroying the character. The negative prompt is your ultimate control. It's where you tell the AI, don't you dare. Alright, the theory is done. Now for the ultimate test, can our golden prompt and golden seed recreate our actor in a completely new scene? Let's find out. We input our master prompt, the golden seed, all the settings for the new scene, and now we generate. And here are the results. Now let's analyze this, because this is the most important lesson. Look closely. Image 1. Close. But the jawline is not quite right. Image 2. Nice try, but the AI got creative with the lighting. Image 3. A complete failure. I don't want to even talk about it. The AI even added blood for some reason. I don't know why. But there's image 4. This is the reality of working with free tools. You will get variations, but with this method, you are guaranteed that somewhere in your result, you will find a perfect actor waiting for you. This isn't a failure. This is a treasure hunt, and we just found a treasure. Perfect consistency, perfect control. So, that is the secret. Formula gives you the map, the treasure. Now, it's your turn to start your own hunt. We have learned how to create a character, how to control its face, It's full, it's warped. What happens when the character starts learning?